Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Quite cool looking. Yeah, they have all the space for this. This lane could have all that artwork in here, and it would just be like such an interesting little quirk if they did. Check out these apartments. They got all these nice balconies up there. So this is definitely our target street. This is the little lone yellow car there. So nice yellow car. Somebody just parks right in this alley in their own little private parking spot, I guess. Don't know if that's legal or not, but it looks kind of cool. You can see how quaint this can be, right? I think this might, I don't know if it's open or closed. I have seen it when it's open before, and it's kind of cool. It looks kind of nice right there, right? So you can sit right here, and you're kind of looking at this kind of cool looking thing, right? Fictional character from the Don Quixote, written by Spanish author Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra. He has his own street, this character does. Some other images of him. So there's the street right here in Macau. And we're going to check out Sancho, Panza, Travessa, which is a lane, and kind of give an idea what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Yeah, there he is. Some pretty cool images of this guy, of that character. Okay, that'd be kind of cool if they had his image somewhere on the street. I don't think they do, but they really should. There are some definitely artwork. Here's a little bit of a remnant of another one, a half a character without the top half. Before we go down, we'll give you a little context to where we are exactly. There's a beautiful temple right here. That is actually really photogenic on that spot as well. And actually the way people come down, they kind of have to meander. It's like a giant S formation coming down that hill right there. So this one is quite photogenic, as you can see, the way it goes down. This one goes towards Sao Paulo ruins and Senado Square if you walk down that way. And then if you go down this way, it goes down towards the Portuguese embassy, Portuguese bookstore as well is down that way. But we are going to go down our target street, which is this little alley named after the character from a literature book, Sancho Panza. So let's check it out a little bit. Yeah, this would be an amazing wall to put images of that character in here. We just have this like perfect spot. I don't think people know who that character is, myself included. I had to look it up as well. I know he's a famous character, but I just don't really know anything about him. Okay. Got a salon right here. Look at all those blue towels. So let me see. Travessa. Actually, Travessa. There's a Travessa right here. So I don't know if the Travessa is the same. If it is, then that means that this would be something a little bit different. Let's just go down it briefly, and we'll get some confirmation about where we are exactly. So this one goes down to this patio. Ah, okay. Last time I was here, I was really impressed with this patio area. This patio goes down to this black and white tiled one that's right down that way. And on this wall, on this alley, there's some galleries, so you can see some art galleries. And sometimes it'll be kind of filled up with a lot of interesting stuff. Today it's a Saturday. It's kind of near the Chinese New Year, and it feels kind of quiet. But anyways, this is our alley. This is our lane. Sancho Panza. Quite cool looking. Yeah, they have all the space for this. This lane could have all that artwork in here, and it would just be like such an interesting little quirk if they did. Check out these apartments. They got all these nice balconies up there. So this is definitely our target street. Yeah, it's just so photogenic. Just a little lone yellow car there, so a nice yellow car. Somebody just parks right in this alley in their own little private parking spot, I guess. Don't know if that's legal or not, but it looks kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna say bye to this patio. I did film this when it was more livelier as well. So if you want to look it up, you can. So we're gonna go back to our Travessa, and there was a little spot near the beginning that that goes up to a temple, and it looks like that's actually part of our lane too. So I do want to capture that. So let's see. I think was it this one? Yeah, this is it. So this is actually some of the same lane. So yeah, actually I'm not the only one to see that this is kind of a cool place to film, right? So this little alley is going to go right up to this beautiful temple. That could be some beautiful space right in there. The real estate is so expensive here that you'll see stuff like that, and it's like it'd be perfect for something, but nobody could afford to get the land. You can see how quaint this can be, right? I think this might, I don't know if it's open or closed. I have seen it when it's open before, and it's kind of cool. It looks kind of nice right there, right? So you can sit right here, and you're kind of looking at this kind of cool looking thing, right? Yeah, that looks amazing. Yep, sit right there and take in this energy. There's a nice, cool energy in this space. Really nice energy. And that's kind of this whole temple region. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna go into this a little bit. No, we're gonna go this way. Tudigong and Tudipo, husband and wife, earth god and earth goddess. I think they're originally from Fujao. I think, but they're common everywhere here. So that was our Travessa de Pança. And then it's kind of interesting, right? Because you kind of have these mythological Don Quixote character, Sancho Panza. And then actually the name of the character is from a book, and then the next street over is named after, oh, here we go, 1898. So this is all about one of the two temples dedicated to the child prince Na Cha. The other one is near Sao Paulo ruins. Okay, worship of Na Cha goes back 300 years. Okay, to repel evil spirits, would pray. Okay, well this has a really nice energy right in here. So so that's the name of the original artwork right there, Don Quixote. So so basically this is the name of the book, and then the other street down there was the name of the character. Wow, look at that. So you got this beautiful temple, but look up there. You have a nice rooftop right there, and then this yellow building. I hadn't really seen there was a dome up there on top like that. Anyways, a little bit of Macau for you. So we are going to go back down towards our target street. And you kind of got this really nice, it's really photogenic in this space. Yeah, that looks really cool. Especially right there, and then, so here comes one of the motorcycles. So the way they come down, they kind of, that looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna head back down to our target street. And our target street is right about here, almost here already. So if you remember right, we started in this area, and so I started, let me just kind of capture the beauty of this area. So that kind of space, and then this one was where we started at. That's actually a garbage bin, so people put their garbage, but they also beautify it with some Macau flavoring to it. And there's our target street right there, Travessa de Sancho Panza. Little balcony rooftop apartment up there. Okay. Yeah, actually just so photogenic. So we're kind of back at the start again. I just want to sweep through it real quick just to kind of fill in, get to this beauty of this particular spot right here, because this has a really nice energy. It's just like really, I can't really explain how it is, but it's like nice. It's kind of breezy, it's kind of quiet. Okay. All right. Yeah, actually it's interesting because this kind of goes down a little bit, and then up there I can see the top part of of Lisboa Casino. Okay. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.